Okay, in this lecture we are going to watch zip and unzip. Okay, so zip is nothing but it will convert two lists and return a value as a list in tuple format. Okay, the value of two lists should be on same length or it will convert to the shortest values which are presented on that list. Okay, first I'm just showing an example. Here zipping to value num equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 alpha equal to a b c d e. Okay, alpha equal to a b c d e and result equal to zip. I am going to zip two lists. The first list is num, the second list is alpha. Okay, print. So the value will be on zip iterator value. I'm just showing result. You need to convert the value to the list element. Okay, list of result. Run, saving my file and running python app.py. The first is on the zip format. You need to convert the value to the list element. So here you could see my two different list has been combined as a list in tuple format. It was taken the first value of first list and second value of first list and converted to first value to a single tuple like that to the all the number. Okay, 2b, 3c, 4d, 5e. Okay, so this is zip. Now zipping 3 value, so here description, that is equal to first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third and fourth. On result 2, I am going to zip num, alpha, then description. Here on num and alpha there are totally 5 list element has been presented. On description only 4 values are presented. Let me see the result. Print list of result 2. Okay, saving my file and running. Here you could see 1a first, 2b second, 3c third, 4d fourth. But on alpha and num 5e is presented. Because of description, fifth element is not presented. It was converted until the shortest element. Okay, so that is on the definition. It will convert to the shortest element on the list. Okay, zipping single value. Zipping single value. Single value is nothing but convert your list element to the list in tuple format. Okay, so result 3, that is equal to zipping of description. Okay, zipping zip of description and printing list of result 3. Okay, list of result 3. You can see it was simply converted list element to list in tuple element and inside the values comma is presented. Now looping zip element. On zip element I'm just using for loop a comma b comma c in result 2. Okay, because on 3 zip conversion I'm just taking the result of that 3 zip conversion. Here print f string element of a dot b is the c variable. Saving my file and running. Why it was not working here? So I need to convert the values to the list element. For that, op, that is equal to list of result 2. Okay, and here I'm just going to loop through value on op because it didn't convert it to the zip object. After conversion only we can able to read the values inside the element. Saving my file and running. Here you could see a is the first variable, b is second variable, c is third variable, d is fourth variable. You can able to loop through the values. Now unzip. Here res equal to zip alpha comma num. So this is the first zipping element. Print. So here I am going to unzip it. Okay, first of all showing the zip result, list of result. Okay, so the zip value is a1 b2 c3 d4 e5 and print unzip space. For unzip you need to use star element. Okay, star zip alpha comma num. Okay, star zip alpha comma num. Saving my file and running. For unzipping you could see my list element has been removed. Okay, to show on the original format you need to have two different values because I am looping means I am just converting two list element to a single list. So here I need a two variable c and d equal to zip of unzip star zip of alpha comma num. Okay, this option will enable to show on the original format. Okay, print c and d is c comma d. Okay, here you could see c and d is a b c d e 1 2 3 4 5, but the values are in tuple element. Okay, on the default it was in the list, on here it was on the tuple element. So this is zip and unzip. This is how you zip and unzip the values. Okay, on next lecture we are going to watch comprehension.